What's up, YouTube? This is Freaks Ritual. I'm back. This whole time I didn't have a table or desk to review any of my products or lights because of the stuff going on in the world. The desk ended up going to my wife because she had to stay home and work from home. And I couldn't argue with her because money comes first. But anyways, I'm finally back. Took me a while to find an actual table I liked, but here we go. This is the Olight i5t copper version, and I got it from Skybin Trade on Amazon. I will put links in the description to get it. But the black version I brought off Olight, and it's the donation light. So I'm going to show you that first. You could also get this from Skybin Trade as well. And I've had it for a little bit, so that's why it's a little beat up. But anyways, it's not about that light. It's about the copper version. And this is a limited edition, so you guys gotta get this. If you want this, get it, because when they disappear, you will not find them. And when you do find them, they're gonna be overpriced. So this is what the box looks like. You do get a 5-year warranty. Alright, it's the Olight i5t EOS copper. So guess that's the number. I don't know if that's how many lights that's been made. I'm not sure. But here we go. Alright, this is what it comes when you get it. It looks like that. Congrats on your new Olight. It's also a thank you. Box is well made, but who cares about the box anyways. Alright, that's the manual. It only comes with 2 molds. That's the it shows you how to put in the battery, but I'm sure everyone knows how. Alright, high is 300 lumens for 3 minutes, and then it goes down to 50%, and then 425 minutes, then 10% for 122 minutes, and then low 15 lumens for 20 hours. So I'm not sure how that works. I gotta test it. It is IPX8, 60 meters, 910 candela, so it's a floodlight, 15 point meters. Drop test, so pretty sure you could drop it higher than 1.5 meters. But there you go. Alright, here's the light itself. Let me see if there's anything under this. Nope. So you don't get any O-rings. But let's open this up and see how it looks. Is there a way I could just... Sorry guys, I'm trying to look in the camera. There. Oh, here we go. Hold on guys. I'm gonna use a knife. Using my Leatherman Wave. This thing's a beauty. Oh my god, it does come with the... This keeps it fresh. It feels wet. It's probably oiled up or greased up, so it keeps it from not patina. Hold on, guys. Oh. There we go. So again, that might be the number, how many he made, I'm not sure. And it has some kind of optic lens. That's what shoots out the flood. So wow, nice and silent. That's what the tail looks like. Get that out. Ooh. This is the type of saw it brings. But I use rechargeable nymphs. That's what I call them. Let's see if we could get the inside. That's what the inside looks like. Ooh. Nice and quiet, so it is well greased. It has a thick O-ring, and it will not tail stand, because you see how the tail switch is. Yeah, it's on. So you see the beam profile. So it's nice and floody. That's 300 lumens. So you just click it and go to the next mode. That's it. And you can't clip it onto a hat. And then you could deep carry it. Looks like a brown. It looks brown. The clip. Or bronze. Looks like a bronze clip. It doesn't look black. Brown or bronze. I'm not sure what kind of LED it is. Hold on, guys. If I find the LED, I'll put it in the description. It looks like our XML2. Doesn't say. Let me check the box real quick. Nope. Or it could be XPL HD. Not too sure. Again, I'm going to put it in the description and take this bad boy out. It's not much to show, but the beauty of it. And I'll be right back. I don't see an AR coding. The glass. It feels like glass. Yeah, there's no AR coding. Alright, let me see if that LED says it in the bottom, inside. Yeah, it doesn't say anything. Alright guys, I'll be back. I guess I'll put it in the description once I find out the LED. Be right back. Ritual, I already did the tabletop review for the Olight i5t copper version. And we're about to do some beam shot footage. But I do recommend to go get this light because it's a limited edition. And when they sell out, they're gone forever. And bear with me because I'm not, this is my first time on film, so I don't know where I should be looking at. I think it's there. But anyways, I advise you to go get it because once they're gone for good, and people will buy multiples to make triple the amount of money. So if you want to save money, go get it. I'm going to leave links in the description where I got mine. I got mine at Skybin Trade on Amazon. So I'll be right back with the beam shots. Hope you enjoy. Peace. Ritual, I'm back. I'm about to do the beam shots with the Olight i5t copper. And of course the other version is the same one. It's just this one's copper. I just don't know what kind of LEDs they use. If I find out, I will put it in the video. And we're about to check out the beam shots. This is low. Alright. Just so you guys know, the other day I actually saw an owl. Never seen an owl in my life. So I'll probably put in a clip to show you guys. It's pretty cool. It's rare that you will see an owl during the day. Well, it was sunset, but anyways, I'll put it in the video. Here we go. And this disclosure, this is the 4th time I'm doing this video because of audio interference. And I'm just gonna see how it is. Hopefully it doesn't mess up like they did last time. Alright, so this is the lower setting. I'm gonna bump it up to 300. Here you go. So this does have an optic lens, so it's gonna give it a nice flood. It doesn't shoot out there far, but of course it's a EDC light, so but it's pretty good. Alright. Holy shit. That freaked me out. Excuse my language. Sorry about that. Alright, I'm going to pause this because I have it on the gimbal, but I'm going to take it off the gimbal. It's been giving me issues. Alright, let's see if it... Alright guys, I'll be right back. Alright guys, this is like my 6th attempt to do this Olight i5t footage, beam shot footage. I'm really getting sick of trying to figure out this audio issue, and I put a new mic on, so if there's a problem then I gotta stick to something else. So I'm gonna stick to a lavalier and figure out what the problem is. But anyways, here we go. Right now I'm in the lower setting. Alright. There's a little moisture in the air, but who cares about the lower setting, right? Some decent light where you're close up, reading a map. Again, I don't recommend this to be your main light. This is a really cool backup light. So here we go. I just heard something. Alright, it was 300 lumens. Hold on guys. Damn autofocus. There we go. Sorry about that. And I did find out the type of LED. I left it in the on the video. It's a Osram, I think P6 LED or jeez. Alright, what the hell is that noise? I don't know if you guys heard that. Hold on guys. Damn autofocus is driving me crazy. There we go, sorry. This does give us some decent get some decent distance, but it doesn't go really far out there. I just want to know what the hell that noise was. Every time I come here I start freaking out. This is, I think, my 6th time doing the beam shot footage for this light. Alright, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to set this up. And I'm going to give you stand it up. That way you can see how I look while I'm walking. Don't know if you saw me. I don't know if it was on me, the camera, but it was worth a try. And yesterday I did some footage here, and there was a bird that came out of there, and I'm keeping that footage in because I like raw. I like it raw. I like, if something happens, I'm gonna leave it in the footage type thing. I really don't like editing out stuff. If something happens, it happens. But anyways, there's like no hot spot. It gives a nice floodlight. It's kind of a big hot spot. A big wide hot spot, I guess. Because it has the optic lens. But there you go. I just hope this beam shot footage ain't messed up. Well, the audio. It always has trouble autofocusing, so I'm sorry about that. But anyways, hope you guys like my beam shot footage of the Olight i5t. So peace.